Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So today we're going to learn how to make the classic sponge cake. You need 2 large eggs, 115 grams of golden caster sugar, 115 grams of self-raising flour, 115 grams of spreadable butter, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So let's start. Begin by preheating the oven to 170 degrees, which is gas mark 3. This is self-raising flour measured into a sieve. Then add a level teaspoon of baking powder. Hold the sieve up high and tap it. So as the flour falls into the bowl, it gets a good airing. Because air is important in cake making. After that, add the spreadable butter, which you can use straight from the fridge. Next, add the golden caster sugar, followed by 2 large eggs, and finally 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Now it's time to whisk. What you should end up with is this consistency. Now lightly grease a tin with a little butter and add the liners. Now divide the mixture between 2 tins and spread it out. Now place the tins near the center in the oven. The timing here is going to be about 25 to 30 minutes, and don't forget to use the timer because guessing is never a good idea. One important point is not to open the oven door until the cake is 3/4 cooked because the temperature will drop and the cake might sink. After about 25 minutes, slide the shelf out a little bit and apply a gentle pressure with your little finger. If the sponge spring backs immediately, it means it's cooked. If it leaves a print of your finger, then whack it back in the oven for another 5 minutes. Now leave the cake from the oven. And after 30 minutes, turn it and place it onto a wire rack. Now carefully peel back the lining papers. Now place another wire rack on top of this. Now turn the cake the right way up. When they are completely cold, it's time to put the filling in. Transfer the cake to a plate and use the base of the cake tin to help. We're starting here with a jam filling, so use the back of a spoon or a palette knife to spread over 3 tablespoons of jam. It's important the proportion of the jam to the sponge is correct. Then place the other sponge cake on top. Sprinkle some icing sugar on top. Now we're done. This is very yummy guys. All of you guys should try this at home. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.